Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. You guys may know that I recently bought a Realme Pad tablet on Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. In this quick video, I'm gonna unbox it. Actually, I already unboxed it, but I just package it again and open it for you. So this video I am making just for the sake of making, as every tech YouTuber does it. It is just to give you a feel of unboxing and of the device and manual. This is the box which has the device. You will have an outer seal cover. Make sure it has it. I cutted it those. Now I will open the box. Right here we have the device. Let us just keep it aside. After that, in the bottom we have two parts of places. In one we have the user manual. We don't need that. I know it. At least we believe that we already know it. On the other side we have the charger and USB Type-C cable. This power brick is actually big. How many is it? 9 volt 2 ampere. It should be an 8 watt power adapter. Okay, I don't have an 8 watt power adapter. All I have is 10 watts. So now my device can charge faster. The cable quality is reasonably length and fine. So yeah, we'll see what is below this layer. Oh my god, I got the active pen along with this. Just kidding. So now we'll come back to the device. Okay, so it feels premium and solid. Not sure if it is aluminum or steel, but this metal is cool. I am getting a feel of the iPad. This boxy design is actually good. Also feels the weight is equally distributed. Design and build quality wise, I like it a lot. I received this tablet at night time, so when I tried to put a SIM card in it, what I did was I just inserted the SIM ejector in the microphone hole. I don't know if I broke its seal or something, but microphone is working fine. It's not a joke. Also, this one doesn't come with screen cover. It just a display, but here I applied the temper glass. Now we will turn it on. Okay, we have a Realme animation. Now we are in lock screen. Actually, for you it will be a FRP. I already set the things, so it is like this. This wallpaper is not a default one. Now I will open the camera and check its clarity. I'm no big fan of this camera quality, but this will be sufficient for attending meets and calls. This tablet is currently running on Android 11 out of the box. You don't need to do any updates, or else there is no update after September 2021. That's what about unboxing the Realme Pad. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. I will be making more videos in upcoming days for this tablet, so subscribe to this channel for any updates. If you have any queries and concerns, feel free to follow and DM me at TechFanciers Instagram page. Thank you for watching. Quote motto.